Hello everyone, this is my Honda City 5th generation and I have some scratches on my car which you can see. I will try to remove some part of the scratch using this compound which is called Finesse It Marine Paste by 3M. This is it. Now I've opened the pack. I have already washed and cleaned the area, and now I'm applying this cream on a certain part of the entire scratch. I'm not doing it on the full scratch, just to see the difference that comes if I use this cream to remove the scratch. Okay, I'm just dabbing on the cream just now on the scratch. I have not yet started the rubbing. I also have with me two microfiber cloths. One I will use to scrub this thing over the scratch, and the other one I will moisten and clean the area. After putting this, I will wait for a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute at the most. And now I have this dry cloth, microfiber cloth, which I am rubbing on this cream which is on the scratch. You have to rub with a little bit of weight, so you have to give pressure on the metal body as you are rubbing, and it should be circular as well as in line with the scratch. So you have to do it in two ways and try to do it for a minute or two maximum. Okay, it's almost done, as you can see. Yeah. Now once I've done this, I'll get a bucket of water, a mug of water rather, and just to clean it, this cream which is there on my car, I'll pour this water over that area where I have been rubbing, and now I'll take the moist microfiber cloth and rub off the cream which is there on the bonnet of my car. As you can see, okay, I'll pour some more water to clean it up properly. What I found that this cream does remove the scratch, though it is not removed 100%, but yes, 99% it is gone. As you can see in this video, it is no more there. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. This is an experiment which I did at my home. So you can see half of the scratch is visible where I did not apply the cream, but the other half where I did apply the cream, the scratch is almost gone. So thank you very much for watching, and if you want to use this cream, please go ahead and buy it and use it. It is really quite effective. Thank you.